In the last video, we saw the segregation of garbage. Biology, Garbage in, Garbage out. NCERT textbook, Class 6, Part 3. So, we will be doing 2 activities in this part. Okay? So, let's see those activities and let's talk about those. So, the first activity. So this file will open now. Okay. So this activity is about to observe the garbage collected from your house before it is thrown away. So I'll go to full video mode, view option for show one page. To observe garbage collected from your house before it is thrown away. Method: separate the garbage into 2 groups. Group 1. Put kitchen waste in this group, such as fruit and vegetable peels, waste food, used tea leaves, eggshells, etc. You may also put things like dry leaves, paper bags and waste cotton cloth in this group. Group 2. Put waste nylon cloth, polythene bags, broken glass pieces, aluminium wrappers, iron nails and broken plastic toys in this group. Dig 2 pits in the soil about 30 centimeters deep. In one pit, put garbage from group 1 and in the other pit, put garbage from group 2. Cover both pits from the soil. Leave these material buried in the pit for about 3 weeks. So, what will be the observation? After 3 weeks, remove the soil and observe changes in the buried garbage. You observe that the garbage of group 1 turns to form a substance with a foul smell. That is called manure. This indicates that rotting of garbage is completed by the action of microorganisms present in the soil. Therefore, the waste material in group 1 is biodegradable and the waste in group 2 is non-biodegradable. So, this is a simple activity which you can do. Okay, and what is formed, the manure, it is very rich in nutrients and you can put it in the soil where the plant is grown and it will enhance the growth of plant. Next activity is to make your own recycled paper. So things needed: an old newspaper, gum, water and wire mesh fixed to a screen. Method: take 2 or 3 pages of an old newspaper, tear them into small pieces and put the pieces in a tub of water. Let the pieces of paper remain submerged in the water for a day. Make a thick paste of paper by churning the mixture to make a pulp. Add a few drops of gum to it and mix it well. So what you can do is take 2-3 pages of old newspaper, tear them into very small pieces and put them in the tub of water for 1 day. After putting it, take it out and again tear it into more small pieces, grind it, churn it to make a paste. That is known as the pulp. And then add a few drops of gum to it and mix it well. Take a fine wire mesh fixed to a screen frame. Pour the pulp onto the wire mesh screen and spread it evenly. You can also add food color, small pieces of flour to make a fancy paper. Okay? Then add some pieces of small flour, food color and leaves to make a fancy paper. Lift the screen and let the water drain. Place the screen with the pulp in the middle of a newspaper and put it in the sun. Close the newspaper now and place wooden plank on top of newspapers and press to squeeze excess water. Open the newspaper. Let the paper dry on the newspaper for a day. Keep the corners of newspaper pressed by some weight so that they do not curl up. The heat of the sun will remove all the water left in the paper pulp and make it completely dry. The dried and thin layer of paper is your recycled paper. This activity you can do it at home as well. Thank you for watching my video. This was the third part of the chapter Garbage in, Garbage out.